Hi guys, John, Common Sense Outdoors. Wanted to show you another net trap today and a couple of different tricks different than the last net trap with the spring snare that I showed. So let me get the camera from my son and I'm going to walk you through what we've done. The first thing you'll notice is that I've got a bunch of branches to channel the bird into my trap right where I want them to be. So I would want to place the bait right in there where that leaf is. These branches are going to detour a bird from coming in anywhere except for right here. So in order to get to the bait, they have to step on my triangle somewhere. If you don't understand my triangle trigger, watch. I have 2 other snare videos with this improved triangle. They can step on any one of those 3 branches to trigger this off. Okay, the next thing I want to show you about what we've done today is we're using a dead weight instead of a spring pull. And all I've done is got this old log laying around out here. I've hooked my paracord around this end, ran it up and around this little branch on this madrone tree. Madrone trees work great for this type of setup because they have real smooth bark, so the paracord will slide on it really well. So we're hooked to our dead weight log up and over the branch, runs back down and ties to our toggle stick. Now, here's another thing I want to show you. And I haven't seen anybody else do this. I don't know, maybe that somebody has, but I haven't seen it. If you have really hard ground or really soft ground, a T-bar or a Y-stick hammered into the ground for your toggle to go under, especially with as much weight as this log has, will pull out, or you won't be able to hammer it in good if it's too hard. So here's another way to go. And all I've done is put a little notch in the tree, and I have a really long toggle stick that goes from there. I have it half hitched with my paracord. The toggle stick runs all the way down to my trigger triangle, and it is just sitting on the end of that triangle. This is a Y or a V branch, and then I've just laid the 3rd piece across to make the triangle. So, like I was saying though, at T-bar or Y branch to hammer in to have your toggle go under, I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. This is another good thing to know right here. So if I couldn't find good ground that would hold, even if this ground is actually really soft right here, and if I would have drove something in the ground to hold the toggle switch here, the weight of this log would have pulled it out, would have pulled it right out of the ground. I would have had to bring a sledgehammer and drive something into the ground about 3 feet probably for it to hold. So Tyler, you want to set it off? Hold on, stand over there. Say hi, Tyler.
Hi, I'm Tyler.
Let's see. Let's find something bird size to throw in it. How about that? Does that look like a bird size?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get to where I can see good. Okay, just drop it right in the middle. Whoa! Well, it flipped your stick out of there. We should have used a rock or something. But there's our net. Kind of threw the triangle trigger stick at Tyler when it went off there a little bit. Alright guys, It's really hot out here. I don't want to set that again. So hopefully I showed you well enough what we had going on there. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming to you soon.